Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you Google Play Games beta, okay? So Google Play Games, you're able to play your Android games, the ones that you're playing on your phone, and you're able to easily play it on your computer. Now, Google finally released something that has native emulation from Google Play. So you don't have to use LD Player or BlueStacks anymore like that because Google Play Games has it. You know what I'm saying? So, and it has controls to where you're able to use your controller as well. It seamlessly syncs between devices. So, like on your phone, if you play a game on your phone, then it's going to show up on the Google Play Games app. And you're able to get money for playing games in there, different reward points. So, once you download it, you're able to see the games that you have here. I have it here. This is the game I just recently downloaded. Here's my library of games that I downloaded on my phone, and these are the games that are able to play on the computer. So that's what I'm saying. You get, excuse me, you can't play every game, but for the games you can, they're all right here for you. So definitely check it out. So I'm gonna download one here, and we're gonna test it out here. We're gonna try it out. I just downloaded it, and yeah, so it's downloaded now. I'll be back when it's finished. When it's finished recording. As it's downloading, I'm gonna show you what it shows. So this is how it is. It has untested here, so that's pretty cool. So it shows that the game is untested on Windows, but it still be playable. So, we see what that is. It has the screenshots on here. That looks pretty cool. You can make it full screen. So yeah, let's see if it works. Let's see how fluent it is. Like, has the ratings and review here. But this is it's not like the emulation, right? It's not like the emulation. Okay, cool. But as you can see, we are moving forward to a whole, like, look at this. This one says playable. We are moving forward, you know. So this is going to be cool. All right, let's turn this game on now. Okay, it's still installing. All right, yeah, let's wait. All right, so it's finished here. Let's hit play. Let's see what happens. It's getting ready to play. Powered by Intel. Luckily, we have Intel here, boys. You already know, techies. We in the building. Let's see what's going on. Right. So once you're in the game, like, you got some visual settings here. Resolution. You can have your mouse pointer change, large or standard. FPS. Okay. Cool. Got a volume on it. That's cool. Game controls. Don't know what that is. It better just be touchscreen. Alright, full screen. Are these individual apps? These are individual apps. Let's go to nah, I don't know. I'm gonna save it to my taskbar. Oh, you can't. Oh. This life is crazy. Okay, cool. Alright, but y'all get the gist of it. I'm gonna log in here. I'm gonna wait for everything. I'm gonna get y'all up to speed. Okay, we are finally loaded in now. Yes. Oh wait, you can't hear it. Wait, my fault, my fault, my fault. 1 second. Okay, yeah, now it's loaded in and we have sound now. So that's good. Yeah, let's choose this guy and let's choose Carl. No. We're gonna call them techies. Alright. Play. Make this full screen. But as you can see, it is running. But do I recommend this program over LD or BlueStacks? No. Dang, boy. What's he doing, bro? He gets no play. Zero buzz. Excuse me.
The city where all the dreams come true.
I want to see gameplay. I'm sorry, we gotta see gameplay. We're not we're not doing this. But yeah, so this is all it is. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. If y'all want to skip this, y'all can. But you already know what it is. I'm just gonna continue on here. All right, so we are in there now, and yep, as you can see, it is functional. We're in here, going to hit this to interact, and they do it for different games. So just your performance may vary, but if you like this video, definitely like, comment, subscribe. You already know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go, and I'll see you on the next video.